Hey guys, hopefully everybody is having a great day today. Today I will be trying out some Beaver Tree Premium Ginger Beer. This is basically the only kind of ginger um, soda that they had in stock at Walmart, which is weird. They haven't been having it like the typical ginger ale that I buy in stock in a while. So I don't know what's going on with it. It's been like that out of stock and like Powerade and Gatorade. It's weird. They had everything else but that. I don't know what to think of the deal. They had a lot of water, but I've been stocking up on water. But yeah, this is weird. Hopefully it doesn't like taste like really strong and give off a really strong taste of ginger, but that's like defeating the purpose of actually having ginger soda. But I'm just looking at the inside. I guess co-founder wrote a little paragraph. Yeah, I guess this is for like mixed drinks, because they talking about if 3/4 of your drink is a mix, then mix with the best. We'll see about that. Ah, crap. Might end up giving this away depending on how it tastes. Hopefully it actually is good. But yeah, I think this is not a twist. So yeah, I'll have to open it. Dang. It's not cold, so yeah, it kind of stinks. Yeah, it does. It looked like, now that I open it up, I guess the stuff at the bottom is coming up, and it looks like a whole bunch of ginger pieces. Typically, you'll see if you like boiled ginger. So yeah, it's gonna be interesting. Whew. That is strong. Yeah, that is strong. I would, if you like ginger, you like the taste of ginger, which a lot of people or a lot of cultures actually put that in their food, I would drink that. But if you like a regular, like, person who prefer like sodas that's a lot of they have a lot of artificial taste and everything, and you don't really know what ginger tastes like, but you don't like spicy kind of stuff, I wouldn't drink that. I just stick to the regular Canada Dry and stuff like that. They have a lot of artificial colors in it and sugars. Yeah, but that, all I know, if I was sick and I had sinuses, it would open me right up. Dang, and it's spicy. I feel like my throat is kind of burning, like almost like I swallowed some mouthwash to an extent. But it's somewhat good because they have a like kind of sugar caney taste going down. Not necessarily like real sugar, but sugar cane mixed with some boiled ginger, like some fresh ginger. Yeah, that was awkward. But it do say no artificial sweeteners, and this is a 6.8 ounce. If they told me this had alcohol in it, I would believe them. It's strong. It feels like I don't have to brush my teeth for a few days. But yeah, I'm just trying that. I think I really don't know how I feel about it right now, but I'm about to put them in the refrigerator, and I'll try one out when it's cold, because this is like room temperature now. I guess I'll see you guys on the next video. Tell me guys what you would like me to do. I'm really kind of suspect about actually the whole fact about throwing up and stuff like that, make myself throw up with alcohol and food. That's kind of awkward to me, unless I need to throw up. But yeah, that was a interesting one. But I'll see you guys in the next video. Thank you so much for watching my videos. Like, share, subscribe. Like, share, subscribe. The heck, I can't even speak now. But I'll see you guys on the next video. Thank you guys.